Hey JoAnne, so I found out a way where you can so whenever they fill out this this questionnaire, it will automatically just send to the results page. So actually all you need to do is look at this page right here, and I sent you a link to this page. So I want to teach you how to like delete things and how to make a sheet, okay? So whenever you are going to delete like answers, so like Lillian's answers right here, you have to click on this portion right here, okay? And you'll delete the entire row. And then I made a testing, and then I'm going to delete that as well. See, I deleted the entire row. I saw that Anna's results are here. It looks exactly the same. I saw that she took it twice. So yeah. So remember how I taught you how like you can print it? So what I want you to do is you'll add another sheet right here, right down here. It'll be like this sheet 8. And you go back to the form response, and you're just going to highlight all of the answers. You right click, and then you will copy, okay? And you go back to the empty sheet, and you're going to right click, and then paste special, and then paste transposed. And from here, you can change like how big it will look. So, and from here you can print it out. So what I did was that I sent you a link to where it will just direct you. It'll just direct you to this form response page. So literally anyone that takes a survey on the iPad or just like through email, the results will automatically like update and they'll show up here. Like you don't have to do anything. Like you don't have to go to this page. So all you really need is actually this page, unless you need me to edit something. But yeah, it should make it a million times easier, so I hope it will work. But if you have any questions, just ask me, of course. Okay, thank you.